Now again, so if I have to change the fraction into a decimal number, I should have 10 or 100 or 1000 in the denominator. Okay, but if I didn't find 10 or 100 or 1000, I have to convert the denominators into 10 or 100 or 1000. If I find 2, I'm going to multiply it by 5 to get 10, and the opposite, if I have 5, I have to multiply it by 2. If I have 4 in the denominator, I have to multiply it by 25 to get 100. And the opposite, if I have 8 in the denominator, I have to multiply it by 125 to get 1000. Okay, this is in the, I have to turn the denominator. Okay, here I already have 10 in the denominator, so I have no problem. Put 1 as it is and put the numerator as it is and jump one time and stop, and I don't have whole number here, so I'll put 0. Okay, here the denominator is already 10, so I have no problem. So put the numerator as it is, jump one time because I have 1 0 in the denominator, and then stop. I have 2 in the whole, so I put 2 here. Here I have 10 in the denominator again, put 7, jump one time because I have 1 0 in the denominator, and then stop. I jumped one time, and then I have 3 in the whole number. I'm going to put 3. Here I have a problem. I don't have 10 or 100 or 1000 in the denominator, so I have to change this number into 10, 100 or 1000. So I know that if I have 5, I have to multiply it by 2. So as I do down, I do up, so I have to multiply by 2 down and up. 2 times 2, 4, 5 times 2 equals 10. Now I have 10 in the denominator, I have no problem, I can change this fraction into a decimal number. Put 4 as it is, jump one time because I have 1 0 only in the denominator, jump one time, and there is no whole number, so I'm going to put 0. Okay, here I can't find 10 in the denominator, so I have to solve this problem. If I have 5, I have to multiply by 2. As I do down, I do up. Okay, so I keep the whole number as it is. 3 times 2, 6. 5 times 2, 10. Now I have 10 in the denominator, so I can easily change this mixed fraction into a decimal number. Put the numerator as it is, jump only one time because I have only 1 0 in the denominator, and put the whole number, which is 23. Here I have the same problem. I don't have 10 or 100 or 1000 in the denominator. So friend, what is the friend of 2? 5 is the friend of 2, so I have to multiply it by 5. As I do down, I do up. 9 times 5, 45. 2 times 5, 10. Now the denominator is 10, so I have no problem changing the fraction into a decimal number. Put the numerator as it is and jump only one time and then stop. Okay, as long as I have a whole number here, so there is no need to put 0. Here again I have a problem. The denominator is not 10 or 100 or 1000. So how to fix this problem? 2 is a friend of 5, so I have to multiply it by 5. As I do down, I do up. 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 5, 10. Now the denominator is 10. I have no problem changing the fraction into a decimal number. Put the numerator as it is. Jump only one time because I have 1 0 only in the denominator, and then stop. I have no whole number, so I have to put 0. Here 20. I know that 2 is a friend of 5, so whenever I find 2 or 20 or 200, so I multiply it by 5 up or down. 2 times 5, 10, and I have 0. I'll push it out. 12 times 5, when you do the draft or the workout, it's going to be 60. Now the denominator is 100. I can change the fraction into a decimal number. So now I put the numerator as it is and jump 2 times this time because I have 2 zeros in the denominator. 1, 2, and then stop. I have no whole number here, so my whole number is going to be 0. Here there is no problem. The denominator is already 10, so I have no problem. Put the numerator as it is, which is 2. Jump one time because I have 1 0 in the denominator, and the whole number is 5, so I'm going to put 5 here. Here the denominator is neither 10 nor 100 nor 1000, so I have a problem. I have to fix this problem. I have to change the denominator into 10, 100 or 1000. How's that? The friend of 5 is 2. As I do down, I do up. 4 times 2, 8. 5 times 2, 10. So put 8 as it is, the numerator as it is, and I'm going to jump one time because I have only one 0 in the denominator. I have no whole numbers, so I'm going to put 0.